After those last two heavyweight chapters on regular expressions, I think you deserve a bit of a reward. So I've split off the areg replace function and given it its own short movie at the end of this chapter. The areg replace function works quite similarly to the str replace function, but is a lot more powerful. Let's take a look at an example. Within our sentence string this time, there are a number of different color words, all the words for colors. And let's say we want to replace all the different colors with one single color. Let's say that's our favorite color, and we want to change all the color words to that. We can use areg replace to do that very simply. First argument that this takes is the regular expression that we want to use. So in this case, we're going to put in all the colors and then the second argument is the string that we want areg replace to work on. Now, whereas in str replace we'd search for this string of characters literally, areg replace allows us to search for a regular expression pattern and replace all instances of that pattern with whatever string we want to replace it with. In this case, we're going to replace it with the color blue, which is the second argument, and the third argument is the string that we want the areg replace function to act on. Let's save that, and we'll go to the browser and have a look at what that does. As we can see, it's replaced the colors, orange and purple and so on, and green, with the word blue. I've included this rather nonsensical example here just as a little reminder that computers in general, and programming in specific, is never reasonable. We have to do all the reasoning, and computers will just follow it very faithfully and logically no matter what kind of nonsense it's going to spew out at the end. However, we can see that areg replace is a very simple way of replacing regular expressions with a string of our choosing.